It is Kative powered by World Sports Betting. It is the times of 0.0. We're still here in Mexico. The World Cup is about to start. In 24 hours' time, Bafana Bafana will take on the hosts, one of the hosts of the World Cup in Mexico. The people of Mexico have been very nice to us. Thank you very much. Wonderful country, wonderful people. Now then, we get to the business end of this visit. Bafana Bafana have to go and face 80,000 people, a home crowd that is expecting their team to get all 3 points. It's going to be very difficult for us. Junior and I, and also Tso as well, we will be discussing what we think might be the lineup from Junior's eyes, from Tso's eyes, and also we'll talk about how should we approach the game. Junior, kunjani mfowethu?
Kuleo my brother kunjani?
Yes sir, yes sir. You feel good?
I am okay. When are Ukraine?
Yeah, I'm fair, man. Did you eat anything at Mexico?
Ushikaulu.
Yeah, igaulo.
Yeah, uyazi mina ukudla kwami ku-program.
Oh yeah, actually. Religiously speaking.
I'm a member of ZCC.
Yeah.
And obviously I'm going to diet. Akusiya wonke umuntu, but depending on obvious, mina njengami
Sure.
uyazi ukudla kwami always mtepe umdoko amabele brown bread, milk
Sure.
and brown bread, yeah.
Nice one.
Mara ngoba ngila mele nami ngizama ukumultitask ngidle konke ngoba la hotela kukho ukudla okunjengalokhu mina ngikufunayo.
Sure. It's going to be a tough one tomorrow. We're not going to talk about results and everything else. But if you are in the coach's shoes,
Yeah.
what are you thinking in terms of your approach defensively, a little bit more open? Udlala system enjani futhi?
Yeah, honestly speaking, obviously, among the approach you came tomorrow, I will be cautious. I'm playing away. These guys, the home crowd,
Yeah.
they're playing in front of their home crowd. Tactically, I will be very away. Yeah, but I'm not going to be open. Back for me, Nyaz I take on a wing back. Now, I will ask them to stay.
Sure.
Also, speak to Ronwen Williams. I'll be quick.
Yeah.
Yeah, but he mustn't.
There's no time to play around.
Please, I'm a back passes, we must avoid it. Ngoba these guys, they will come. Tebza, JD Adams, and Nyazwi Amncanywa, this guy we are. Three of them, I think, I will ask them to very tactical discipline.
Sure.
I wouldn't. Ngeke bacela ukuthi bayiphambilli bajoyine. Mhlambe first 45 minutes, I will ask them to do that. Just stay there, simplify things.
Sure.
Tactically, they must mele bahlale. Simple back four, goalkeeper away, simplify into Ronwen. La midfield, you don't have to go and join in the box. Not now. Three, okay, noma ngabe wambili trading, siyazi uthanda ukuya. Two must stay. Wingers, obvious, coaches abacela babuye back. But me, ngoba back four etihleli. Nali three midfield. I will ask, ngizocala ngo urile mina Apolis.
Sure. All right, we'll get to the starting lineup,
Yeah.
but you can kind of understand why we should be defensive. A little bit tactically disciplined.
Yeah, tactical, not personal discipline, but tactical discipline, awareness. Because those guys are very dynamic. We need a game about you. I think the last game they won, if not mistaken,
It's one of the games they won like 5 goals.
5 goals.
Yeah.
Ile game ngibukeli. Manga peka makolo abo. They've got speedy players in the wing. And here in the midfield, they've got players who are very mobile and dynamic, who can join. Mara nabo manga bapeka very disciplined. Yabo ipek for yabo. Do ama wing peko abayahamba mara wambi throw, wambi one.
Sure.
So itimi yabo izofuna ukungaletha down ama-fans wabo. They will come at us. Tactical discipline, that's all.
Yeah.
Can we approach the game that way? Not to say we self-defend. We must find a way to...
Must be a way to try to score a goal.
So...
Do you think we will be able to cope ngabalandeli? Because Mexicans are nice to us, and I love it. To us, Tina Singabantu,
Yeah.
Singabalandeli.
Yeah.
I don't imagine they're going to be nice to you, Bafana Bafana. And there's going to be 80,000 people there. It's going to be very difficult. Even me, I'm kind of scared ukuthi bazosiphatha kanjani masingene grounded because they want to win. They want 3 points as well. Do you think our players will be able to handle that pressure?
Kuleko yazi friendship yaphela ngegame.
For sure.
The friendship
That's
ends.
what I suspect now. Ukuthi le mpatho enhle, which we love, it's going to end Makali game.
Tomorrow's game, on a serious note, friendship mabang entire ground. Explain nje kuvuka nama emotions.
Yeah.
Because they can't lose.
Yeah,
In
they're
front
hosts.
of their crowd.
Yeah, they're hosts.
Ubonile ngama legend game.
Yeah, 25,000 people were there.
Lao 2010 legend game.
Yeah.
Le game le 2010 legend game both. Being my emotions, it was full capacity.
Yeah.
But so and the my expectation, those guys they wanted to score and they score 5 goals.
Yeah.
So a friendship for me
Just
is
hold on
gonna
a little bit because we're on the way.
Yeah, I think our friendship excel,
Sure.
is okay.
It will be the end of it. Let's go then. Your goalkeeper, I can imagine.
Yeah, I mean I'll start with Ronwen Williams as usual.
Sure.
but speak to him. And I'm sure Ronan knows really criticism before the World Cup. And obviously when he came with what he can do.
Sure.
Champions League final, he showed.
Yeah.
I was
And your back four?
I'll go with this guy who
Definitely Mbogazi, centre back.
Mbogazi.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Mina ngicela ngoMbogazi. There's this guy one I think
Okono Makanya.
Makanya.
Yeah, because he's playing here in America.
I'll go with Makanya. Very comfortable. Technically very good. But ngimcele naye mustn't play around. Ngimbonile umfana right, yeah. Just ethi ngifuna umbone emagemini njengalawo ngoba wasithestanga.
Okay, two centre backs, Mbogazi no Olethu Makanya.
Yeah.
And then left and right?
I'll go with Ndau. Sijava nabantu. Mdiba. Yeah, I think that's my pick
That'll
four.
be your back four. Just to confirm, and for you, Justa, as well, we need those pictures. Umutau on the right, Umutiba on the left hand side, Umbogazi central, Odano Makanya. Let's go to your midfielders.
Yeah, I will go, honestly, I will ask Kutebs to stay defensive midfield. Ngiyazi ukuthi mangabe sengifuna something, let's say we lose, I will push him, but defensive midfield, Jaden Adams, give me, talent Mbatha.
Definitely.
Talent Mbatha.
Definitely.
That's my three midfield. Talent Mbatha, Jaden Adams, and then I'll go with Dave Zamkwe.
Definitely.
That's my midfield for me. For me, midfield.
How would you want them to work it out? Ukuthi bazongena box to box, bamane bencedisana.
I will ask, it depending on player, in like how, when you got the ball,
Sure.
mangabe we don't have number. Okanye ngifuna mhlambe, I will do this. Ngizocela between Jaden Adams no Talent Mbatha, one of them. If Omunywile can under one stay. Obviously, I'll ask the Talent to play box to box, sort of. Terms of stay, Talent box to box. Jaden, yeah, he can go, but he can defend. Sure. Down defend.
Yeah.
So I will tell them who compliment this guy, Tebza. They don't have to go both of them. One must half, and then one join, and then. Now asking Joba ngisho Talent Mbatha to box to box.
Sure.
And then Jaden uyo join. That's all.
Yeah, I can imagine also when we are in a defensive moment, he's going to ask all three of them to be behind the ball.
Yeah.
Must defender because sibafakela ukuthi le quality yabo yokuthi they can defend and they can also help you going forward.
But into engamelanga ba restricted to play. Ngoba ma uwina ibhola, di mele uphume ngabo. So ulo une energy phela uMbatha. That's why ngithi can go and join. Jaden can complement uTebza bakwazi ukudlala short pass. Long ball uzohamba support yena utalent ngoba une energy.
Sure.
Jaden very composed, awareness, technically very good. You can score goals. Mara mina I love Jaden adlale next to uTebza most. Talent uyo ngajoina ngoba he can score nama long range. And ngabadlalisa boyi 3 kanjalo. And yes, just kule ukukuchipa ukuba honest. I will ask Talent to go and join or support ama wing weight and score azam ukuthi create lo take ama shot away they go away. Jaden stay next to Tebza, that's me.
All right, your attackers, front three, how are we looking like?
I'll go on Rena's striker top man. On the right hand side, Apolis. Angina problem makadlali half wing. I don't have a problem.
So you're putting him right instead of left?
On the right hand side. Yeah, because this boy coach angeke adlale ngo number 10 kulama game manje.
Yeah, I suspect he's not going to play number 10.
I'll go on relay on the left hand side. That's for me. I'll go with the relay on the left. Leave him. Coach believe akule mfana miye. Akakasiboni namnyasha he never showed kule level. But believe in him. He's the only player believe ukuthi once you believe in him. He can angabonisa the best of him, the boy. Yes, but now boy, you must tell them they mustn't just press without the midfielder away. They will be exposed. Because labantu laba mazo press front three, midfield team, they can play behind us and then mapumi. 3 at the front. They must look at each other. Or you want maga presser and then you must look at behind. So coach you need to speak to them tactical now because ngabi defense. It defense I call midfield or at the back. Kala ngaba front. So I'll go with the police relay on the left hand side. Central Rainers. That's
nice one.
me.
Thank you very much, Junior. Tomorrow, Bafana are playing against Mexico in the opening of the World Cup. It's going to be very difficult. I wouldn't pretend and think that we're going to win there. We'll be here supporting the boys, of course, as we've been singing and joining in, and here supporting the boys. But it's going to be very, very difficult. If we can drag a draw out of that, we'll be very fortunate. The Mexicans, when the whistle blows, the friendliness will go away. Let's hope for the best for the boys. It is Good TV, it is Good Times. What's betting?
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Diski TV.